In this video, you will learn how to create a group on Instagram in 2021. So without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply open up your Instagram app. And once you open up your Instagram app, you have to simply tap on the Instagram message icon, and then you have to simply tap on this little pencil icon which will display at the top right side of the screen. Now in order to create the new group on Instagram, you have to simply first select the members for the group. So I just want to select the 2 members here only, and then you have to simply tap on the chat. Now here you can see there's a name this group option at the top. So if you want to create the new group on Instagram, so you have to simply first add the member, and then you have to simply type the username for the group. So I just want to type here export 2021, and after that you have to simply tap on the done. And once you tap on the done, so here you can see the group is successfully created, and you can see there's a little information eye icon which will display at the top right side of screen. So if you tap on this one, so here you will find all the options related to the group. So you can add or remove any member on a group by using these features. So you will find almost all the options related to this group in this eye information icon. So this is pretty simple and easiest way to create a group on Instagram in 2021 by using this method. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to get the more informative videos regarding Instagram, so keep subscribe this channel and turn on bell notification icon for to get more latest video updates from this channel. Thank you so much for watching.